Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change chat color on WhatsApp in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp, and after open the WhatsApp just tap on three dots, then go to settings option. From here go to chats option, and at the top under the theme option you can find default chat theme, then just tap on default chat theme. From here you can change your WhatsApp chat theme. If you want to change your chat color or customize your chat, then just tap on chat color option, and here it is. From here you can choose any chat color as you like. Suppose if I select this color, here is the preview, and you can choose any option as you like. If I select it and then tap on this done icon, then tap on set chat color, and it's done. Now just go back and open up any chat, and that's it. You can see chat color has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change chat color on WhatsApp in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.